Unveiling Trade Skills, your key to a hands-on future. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to make English learning easy and practical for you. In today's video, we'll unravel the meaning of trade skills. Whether you're looking to jumpstart your career or simply expand your vocabulary, understanding this term is essential. So let's dive in. Trade skills refer to the abilities and knowledge necessary to perform specific jobs, typically those that are manual or practical in nature. Unlike professions that require a degree from a four-year university, trade skills are often learned through vocational schools, apprenticeships, or on-the-job training. Some common examples include plumbing, electrical work, carpentry, and welding. These skills are in high demand and are crucial to many industries. Learning a trade can lead to a rewarding and successful career path. Trade skills play a vital role in our economy. They are the backbone of the construction, manufacturing, and service industries. With a skilled trade, workers can provide services that require a level of expertise and practical knowledge not easily replicated by machines or technology. Additionally, there's a growing need for skilled tradespeople as a significant portion of the workforce is reaching retirement age. This means opportunities for employment in these fields are likely to increase. Acquiring trade skills involves a mix of education and hands-on experience. Here are the common pathways to developing these skills. 1. Vocational and technical schools. These institutions offer targeted programs to teach the specific skills needed for various trades. 2. Apprenticeships. Apprenticeship programs combine classroom instruction with paid on-the-job training under the supervision of experienced professionals. 3. Community colleges. Some community colleges offer courses in trade skills, which can be a more affordable option for students. 4. On-the-job training. Many tradespeople start with basic tasks and learn through practical experience as they advance in their careers. Learning a trade skill comes with several advantages. Job security. There's a high demand for skilled trades, leading to excellent job prospects. Potential for entrepreneurship. Many tradespeople start their own businesses, offering the potential for independence and financial success. Practical and tangible results. Working in a trade often provides a sense of accomplishment, as the results of your work are tangible and practical. Flexibility. Many trade skills can be transferred to different locations and industries, providing flexibility in employment. I hope this video sheds light on the valuable world of trade skills. For those considering a career in a trade, the future looks bright with numerous opportunities for growth and success. Remember, learning a trade skill can be a gateway to a fulfilling career that is both rewarding and in high demand. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more learning content. See you in the next video.